Hello, welcome to That's Easy channel. I've got another tutorial video for you, but before we dive into it, please make sure to subscribe so you won't miss any new tutorials and you'll help the channel grow. Thank you. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add or change keyboard language in Windows 10. First, you have to go to the right bottom corner and click on the language icon. Then you have to choose Language Preferences. Now inside the next window, you'll see the languages you're able to use straight away as they're already in your system. To make the change, you got to sign out from the windows. But we're not going to do that now. If your language is not on the list, you have to add it, so click on Add a Language and type what you're looking for inside the search bar. I'll go for German language. When it's found, just choose Next and then Install. The downloading will start. It usually takes up to a few minutes, so I'll just speed it up. When it's installed, you can go to Display Language again and choose the new one. So this is it. Make sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you next time.